Well, hello again everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making donuts, you know, these ring donuts, and I'm going to make some jam donuts as well. I say I'm going to make them, I'm going to try and make them. It is a first for me, so please bear with me and we'll see how we get on. First we need 7 grams of butter, 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 70 grams of sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of easy bake yeast, and 260 millilitres of milk. Melt the butter in a microwave and slightly warm the milk, just so it's tepid. Now you can add all of your ingredients to a mixer except for the flour, or of course you can do this part by hand. In with the butter, in with the sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of yeast, then the milk that's been slightly warmed, 1 egg, mix this. Now we can leave this to rest for 10 minutes, then in with the flour and mix again until you have a consistency of bread-like dough. Then leave this to rest for about an hour. Then we leave this to rest for 1 more hour and let it rise. For the first attempt, I'm quite pleased. Could do with being a bit lighter. I'll have to work on this one a bit more. Anyway, thanks for watching this latest video of mine, making these fantastic donuts. Look, he's going to eat me. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and don't forget to give me a like and a share. If you could share it with somebody, that would be great, that would be fantastic. And I'm so looking forward to seeing you again on the next video. So bye for now.